Ready for action? The man is here. Hey, diba? What's up, guys? Good morning. Today's video, I'll be going to the province of Kiblawan. It's about 2 hours away from the city, and right now it's about 5:15 exactly. Look at that. You see that? I'm on my way. Sun won't be up for another hour. So, right, we're at Molopolo. The man is here. You gonna say hi, bro?
Hi.
Papa.
Oh.
I-post mo ko rin sa goan, matanaw siya.
Eh, kung ano siya, ampugin na yun, klaro mo na siya sana, papa niya.
No, matanaw sa video, ako yung kaya ba?
Pero layo-layo pa, papuntin ko.
Okay rin. Oh, kani, morning, humayan?
Ano di ba ako nato?
Oh, look at this, man. Welcome to Molopolo.
Ari sa akin, mag-inom sa tuba.
Oh, ayaw, tuba kay. Tanduay diretso.
Drink tuba.
Basta?
Drink tuba.
Okay lang?
Mura gyapon okay ra. Kondisyon gyapon.
Baskog ba? Like father, like son. Ha? Gwapo gyapon no?
Kumusta? Akong pinaskuhan.
Ha?
Akong pinaskuhan.
Ay, wala pa yung Pasko.
Bahala yun. Kay dili naman yung makita ng Pasko.
Karon na ako. Kita na jud.
Kita na yun ta daw. Kita na yun ta.
What's up, man? Okay lang?
Himakit. Kakulitan.
Let's go. Drink some tanduay.
Ay, sampog. Ay, dakuan.
Ayo, buyag. Right, we're at my uncle's house, Molopolo.
Ay barko. Ay barko.
Right there, man. There's a boat.
Barko.
No, so na stranded. Nahunasa no?
Anod na sa tsunami. Ikan dagat pun.
Oh yeah?
Naanot sa tsunami.
Tsunami. See that boat, guys, right there?
Kanang manggahana unta kung papalit papa nimo kanang street 1 hectare.
1 hektar? Daghan din eh. Pila suda na?
Daghan na ay.
Pila ka punuan?
Kana bro mga panabot. Daghan ay. Wala na spinta bro.
Ano? Alright, everyone's here.
Dura og Molopolo ba?
Say hi to your brother, man.
Di lisod magsuri-suri ka. Ay Dio.
Ayan.
What's up?
What's up, mananap?
Live day na. Largo na gaway kay.
No, ako ibutang sa YouTube and then tanaw papa.
Kay mga isang video na ko gamay raman kay
Oh, kani ko.
dugay magud kayo masin taaso na ko
Yeah,
dugay di masin oy
Kani is cool mga bisig isa ka oras pwede.
oh kana mo gwapo
Yeah.
vlogman vlogger
Oh yeah. Yeah, sabong ta saman.
Monday ba ay Sunday
Sabong ta saman. Oh, right there. See?
Pero Domingo. Ra. Para ka ra. Ugma daw ka. Oh, ra. Isam na.
Ikaw na.
Bro.
Iyay, masyador. Usan di man itanduay. Unsay.
Oh. Largador na pag daog padada.
Largador?
Larga man.
Yeah, we're just waiting for the rice harvester. It's the I think he's
ang tapat
He's hungover.
nya ano siya pilo na lang nago
Lisag beer.
coconut wine
Electric beer, asam beer.
Ah, ala, wa man tayong kapalit.
I got it, man.
Hagdan ko bird ari ba?
Hodan.
Na may beer tindahan bigas.
Asa?
Ato.
Hagdan ko bird
kapalit.
ari. Nya.
Namay kapalit siya. Lagi.
Utang
Ano ni? Coconut wine?
coconut wine
Gihatag mo to yung pitakas ko kanina. Ako pagidala.
I would try that, but diarrhea is the outcome. Asa lagi ko ani?
lagi makita na ko imong mga vlog
Na ano eh?
kita lagi. Sige ko. Asa?
Wala gyud.
Nagpiyong siguro kayo.
Wala gyud.
Sa cellphone di man.
Na,
Magkano kuan?
YouTube, asa mo support?
Niya ko. Para
Ay,
sa
sa
tulak
YouTube.
ito.
Ito lang ang bingka. Let's try this bingka, man.
Okay, ay nga. Paano ba? Bawa na papala. Simple to. Di man puta ka klaro.
Bingka ilaw. Di lahi sa loob no. Naniin, kinahan ko na mo.
Zahit. Tuan.
Humok sa sulok.
Wala lutuag ayo.
Pagod man ganina.
Kulang og sugnod. Wala kayo. Lami man bingka lang.
Nani gani.
Good.
Tama ni nagbingka po dito na sila. Janet.
Oh.
Bigang anak.
Saya tahu na. Tuba ang coke, nasa mana?
Kan.
Nana harvester eh.
Pangguni.
Asa man ka na ka sa nagas babaw?
Sige, ako na i-post kita din eh.
Oh. Oh, nana.
Hala.
Oo. Nakay gatas na ma?
Wa na gyud koy gatas.
Ah, sige, malit lang ko.
Na. Kusog hindi na hurot ang beer,
Ang bago mo
gatas.
kung isagol ka ng gatas man gud nga kuan. Tamis ba? Kondensada aman diha dong.
Oh, sige sige, magbutong ta diha. Kanang pila ka buok gatas, duha?
Itong laya to.
Yeah, we are here. We're about to harvest this thing. We got some little water going on here, irrigation. Look at this. Oh, he's ready. Everyone's getting ready for the rice harvest. Harvest number 2.
May isda daw outro.
Asa, ani? Ya, bangus.
Lapya.
Boss. Ikaw, drive, boss?
Oo.
Ah, kani.
Ah.
This is the driver. Pakita kung papa.
Okay.
Muna driver sa Mercedes, oh.
Mercedes.
Dali ra mo na, dali ra.
Mga 2 hours pinakataasan eh.
2 hours? Ah, okay. So he's the one's gonna be harvesting the rice. The rice harvester right there, the machine. Let's check it out. Perfect day to harvest the rice. Man. Oh yeah, mud. You get the mud right here. This is the rice field, guys. This is it, the rice field. Look at this machine. Crazy. They're loading up the rice sack right now. Ako tong kuaron doon. Ako kuaron. All right, this guy is this is the workers. They're ready for action. VIP, man. This is the guy.
VIP.
Mag para ka tong drone.
Magpa-drone ka karon. Ma-picture datan eh.
Ah, siyempre sa YouTube ba.
YouTube.
This is the main guy right here. And
Stop na lang ani asa nakita na.
yeah, they're getting ready. We're gonna get some drone footage. Number 1 guy. Right, let's go check out these guys. They're harvesting the rice. Alright. Any? This is the house over here. Needs to be repaired. Bully? Ah. Lapok? Lapok kayo? Pwede ka lagi. Alright, look at this. 1 sack of rice. There we are. Let's try to go over there. Oh shit. Oh, they pwede. Ha? Ah, dili? Ah, dito na. Alright. Okay. Like always, proper attire. Oh, the dog right there. Mud. Woo. So there's one driver and then two guys. Their job is to get the bag ready, and basically they're sewing it up right here, sewing it out, and they're dropping it in the field right here. This is about 100 pounds, 50 kilos, more or less. So far there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sacks. Look at that. Now maybe this is like 100 sacks, I don't know. It's about 895 square meters of rice field. Oh, 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 oh. God damn. Yeah, getting some coconuts. Hey, lagaw. Ala, 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 dagan. Ambil perak kau nun. Siapa main? Puno ng kamay. There you go.
Asa ba nilo? Wala na doon, no? Ha?
Gawin some
Wala na?
young coconut, botong. Look at that. Nice job, man. Perfect. Is it right here? Look. Perfect bottom. Just gonna grab more. Let's grab more. I don't know how they can tell, but it's. I guess you have like a trained eye. Look at this guy. He climbed it like there's nothing.
Okay.
Ha?
Test.
Dito.
Isa.
Maugin na ba?
Oh, pati. Angat bang pura nih. Kuha.
Mmm. Fucking sweet, man.
Okay.
Try it. Diba? Lapok lang.
Wala ba nga?
Nakawag na.
2, 4, 6, 7, 8.
Wala. Just pikas.
This guy, professional, man. Professional coconut climber. Taas na ba? That's about what? That's about 30 feet. Buhatan na daw? Saan?
Buhatan to. Naan daw? Kanin daw?
Kanin tiri no? Puro dili pa na. Tulo? Oh, kuan mo kayo? Dili.
Lat bang kung nagkulang man. Betong taon.
Ano no? Bubong ka rin.
Oh. Lubong maglapok ko na luban mo. Kuya na katon ko. Laki ko na.
Tama na rin, daghan mo ni. Wala.
Lubong kay kapok ko luban.
Ano, basin to no? Ispan.
Niki.
This is how you clean a coconut, man. Man, this coconut stuck in the mud.
Sa ating pispan.
Fish pan.
Ini dia pilit ng bulldozer.
Bitaw na ko ba?
Bitaw ra siya.
Bitaw yun.
Pilit pa na lubong ah. Tumba na mahuman. Lubong. Adi gina lubong ko.
Bigyan ay. Cleaning the mud off. See, there's fish over here, tilapia. Nagko.
Kore, walang trabaho.
Daku apa ay. Kuya nang tilapia na ba?
Ang kabaw rin.
Alright. Down dito sa balay.
School dito rin, school.
Okay. Alright, we're about to open this up. So apparently there's tilapias in here. Size of a cow. That's dangerous.
Piranha.
Piranha. The rice harvester should be done within 1 more hour. 2 hours max, he said. And we paid the rice harvester 12 sacks. They get 12 sacks or however many we or the total of the sack. Tractor. No, wala ka unsay kay biggest cow.
What you?
Ikaw.
Ako na.
Chef.
Cook.
It's chef over here, man. Cooking lunch for everybody.
Kasi may tikus-kus na eh.
Nay kuskus. Ako'y kuskus.
Wala kutsara.
Kusinero man siya. Kusinero.
Kusinero.
Yeah, the guy cooking pancit. Please. Pancit.
Kutsara yay.
And then Sinugba. What? Damn. It looks so good. Look at that. That's aku. Sorry, barilis? Dili po.
Barilison.
Almost hapit barilison.
Hapit barilison. Ang dako barilis. Agamay man barilison.
Gano dalis kay to ilinya nga atong pagkaon. Nalinya.
Butong.
Diri no.
Tama na kuskus dia.
Gani oh. Muna sablay luwag.
Basig di ganahan ang sawang Jimar ani kay
Bitaw.
Hey man.
What is that?
What is that?
Art kuanda to. Kanang dili gustong dirty.
Di gusto dirty to.
Unsa ba niya? Wala tayo mang pansit.
Pero kato kang paribito no, disiter to no.
Pilaron.
Unsa man to inyo? Kato gahapon wala to eh. Wala to tarha. Dos ra street dos.
Sige daw makaya
2.5 man to itong agi.
Yung tawag hangyo nako, di gyud. Kasi 1750 ra. Sabaw.
Basta na. Baka.
Ribs, baboy, pork.
Oh, look at that, man. Yeah. Thank you, chef. Thank you, chef. Pabok.
Butong gyud basta na kilubinhan.
Daw.
Napagani balay, guwa lang.
Guba lang.
Guys, lunchtime. We have pancit, rice, pork soup, and dili barilis. Barilisun. Ayo. Alright.
Asa-asam to 20 aro. Try na to.
Tuwag dito na.
Soy.
Tidak. Oh,
Mga tanan usa ta mo gikan.
Isa.
Asa na mo?
Mga to na mo?
Maria, unya pa mo ko saging.
Pero tigil Jason ba maglaglaag jud sige bantay gid mo anang sakay-sakay anang kuan ha.
Sa may ato rin tong.
Dong, bantayan na siya dong ha. Usa sakay ni.
Go, go.
Tingin lang ba na.
Ikaw, ilagan ka sa dili. Ah.
Wala liwa.
Lalaki, lagan man lalaki.
Lagi. Unya na ta mula agog. Mahuma na gyud. Yan, yun sana pag-answer. Okay na?
Uloy binton. Asay answer ani.
Bintot ka karon. Yang 1 plus 1 daw, 11.
Liben.
Oh, pwede gyapon.
Bintot niya. Saan to perfect?
Perfect.
Perfect number.
Nya, nasagol pa jud libin Ako'y una na humba na tingala sila ba.
On the do, count na.
Taong kita tama na ni. Ikaw na.
Go. Kung dito.
Ay no gidalo.
Ah, bitaw.
Wiljan? Dali eh.
Classmate ni Wiljan.
About to eat. Right, so they're already carrying the bag of rice to the side of the road so the buyer can just come up to the road and load him up. Let's go. Damn, this shit is heavy. Pila na kilo? Isa?
60.
Ah, bugata din no?
Gagmay mo sako.
Gagmay?
Itong bitiret tagas mo tinta kapin to.
Ah, shit. Gonna. So they have this little carrier on their back. See that? What's up, man? Oh, they caught something. They caught it. What's up, buddy?
Tickling.
Oh shit.
Wak.
Walk, walk. Damn, he caught a bird. It's about 60 kilos. 160 kilos, no? 60 kilos? Bugat na ba?
60 plus.
60 something. So how many pounds? I don't know, maybe like 130 pounds. You're carrying it like it's nothing, man. Look at that. All right. And then they have this, isn't it? Like liquid, like a backpack. Ah, so this is where you put the sack right here. It's easier. Masayo, no? Pero bugat gapon.
Dili kayo magan-gan sa kamay pukong.
See that? It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Oh, these guys are barefoot. Shit. Look at this. Boss. Gaan rin, no? Ata eh. Grabe ka na exercise ang iba. Look at that. Yeah, let's go over there. Let's check it out. Nah, it's too muddy. Yeah, it's quick. It's almost. So far, there's 18 sacks. They say it will be 60 sacks. 60 something per 60 kilos and some change per bag. And then they're buying it for $17.50 per kilo. So one bag is about 1,000 something pesos. I don't know if I'm doing the math right, but sounds right. More sack. Man, this guy is barefoot too. I guess it's easier. Easier if you it's no slippers or shoes. Terus, gaano? Tinta. Shit, look at this. Ah. Okay. It's the house right there. You need some work. Perfect day to harvest rice. Another guy. Shit. The bird. Wala ito, ilupad lagi niya.
Wala na, budagan na ni.
Ah,
Di pa siya kompleto kayo pa.
it's that bird. That's food. All right. 45 more minutes. This should be all done. And that's all she wrote. We got rice on the other side. We got bananas on this side. This was harvested yesterday. This is a different owner.